Welcome back to the Personal Finance Podcast. Something we get asked about a lot is buying a home.
It's a big one.
Huge. And it
Yep.
can feel like a huge mystery, too, Like, how do people actually do that?
Yeah, all those moving parts.
Exactly. So today, we're diving deep into successful home negotiations. We're talking insider tips, smart strategies,
Saving you money, saving you stress.
and hopefully getting you into the home of your dreams.
Because it's more than just daydreaming, right? It's about making this happen.
100%. And that starts with, honestly, ditching the daydreams for a minute and putting on your detective hat. We're talking market value here.
Right, because that listing price, that's just the opening act.
It's like the sticker price on a car. You wouldn't pay that without checking, right?
Exactly. You got to be a savvy shopper no matter what you're buying. With houses, you look at comparable properties, what's actually sold recently in the area, not just what someone's asking.
And this is where a good real estate agent
Oh, essential.
becomes worth their weight in gold.
Think of them as your market value gurus. They've got
Yeah.
the data, they know the trends, they can spot a deal or a dud a mile away.
Okay, so you've done your homework, you're feeling good, you're ready to make an offer.
Time for the main event?
Right. But how do you find that sweet spot? You don't want to lowball and offend the seller,
Nobody wants to start a real estate war.
but you also don't want to be stuck paying way more than you should.
Buyer's remorse is real. Look, a well-researched offer, being realistic, that shows you're serious. But here's a pro tip. Try to figure out the seller's motivation.
Ooh, okay. Get in their heads a little bit.
Right. Are they in a hurry? Have they been trying to sell for a while? That gives you information going into negotiations.
It's like a real estate poker game.
Kind of.
Yeah.
And you've got to be ready to, play your cards right. Flexibility is key here.
Meaning, sometimes you have to compromise to get what you really want.
Exactly. Maybe you can live without that fancy pantry if it means getting the backyard you've always dreamed of. You've got to prioritize.
This isn't a quick decision, is it?
Buying a house, this is a marathon, not a sprint.
Take your time.
Absolutely. Don't let anyone rush you. Weigh those options, think it through, and honestly, don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right.
Better a safe no now than a stressful yes later. And speaking of feeling safe, we have to talk about backup plans.
Oh, so important. Having that second option for financing or putting contingencies in your offer, like if the home inspection finds something unexpected,
Because there are always surprises.
always. These things can save you major headaches in the long run.
Speaking of uncovering those hidden details, let's talk home inspections.
This is where the house tells you its secrets. Is that crack in the foundation a minor fix or a sign of a bigger issue?
You need to know.
A thorough home inspection gives you the power to negotiate a price that reflects the real condition of the property.
So, you've got your information, you're ready to negotiate, but how do you know when to walk away from the table?
Trust your gut. If the deal isn't working for you, your goals, your budget, even if you love the house.
It's hard to let go.
It is. But sometimes walking away is the smartest move.
It takes guts to walk away, but you have to protect yourself. Okay, so you've navigated everything, you're signing the papers.
You're officially a homeowner.
Congratulations.
Mm.
But before you start celebrating, remember those closing costs.
Those can sneak up on you. Title insurance, appraisal fees, property taxes. Factor all that into your budget early on.
It's all part of the process.
Hmm?
Well, there you have it, everyone. Your roadmap to landing that dream home. It's a journey, but with the right knowledge
A good team on your side.
and a little patience
You'll be turning that key before you know it.
and stepping into your dream come true. Thanks for listening, everyone. For more tips and insights on personal finance, follow us and stay tuned for more episodes. See you next time.